Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is March 4, 2024, Monday. First the level, then we go into the discussion. Nifty closed at 2927.25, 0.41% up. It formed a solid, small but solid green candle. So it's primarily a continuation pattern. Nifty, BankNifty on the other hand, it closed at 47,456.10, 0.36% up. It formed a spinning top, but it again showed a continuation pattern. Nifty 22,405.60, almost flat, 0.12% up. It formed Doji, but that is also a continuation pattern. However, one thing, before we go into the discussion part of it, one thing we have to be very careful is that there is some amount of exuberance seen in the market, at least in the short term basis. And also how one can measure exuberance, right? When an experienced trader looking at the price actions and the movement, kind of movement, one will be able to say there is some amount of exuberance. Second thing is that when you analyze technically, we can see that the prices are significantly above and the exponential moving averages are significantly lower. So it has to catch up. Normally what happened, this will not catch up. The price will come down. Basically it's like the gravitational force. It will pull the prices down. Then it will come closer to that. From there once again it will take a bounce. Hence what we expect is that it's definitely Nifty, BankNifty, Nifty, they are in a good uptrend, at least in the short and medium term. What is short and medium term? People will say long term uptrend. See, long term stocks will go up. It has to go up, right? There is nothing. And that too, more people are coming to invest, and mutual funds are receiving good amount of fund flows, and PF funds are also coming. Obviously where they will go, there is only limited set of stocks available, and these indices have to go up. So hence, no, I am not worried about long term. The fundamental analysts will worry and they will say long term. If you ask, it is quoting at huge discount to the current earnings. They will say that look at 25-26. Why 25-26? Look at 2400, 2401. You can look at 400 years down the line. That's ridiculous. Okay. Hence, let's not go there. So when I say short term and medium term, it's on a what you call short term is normally a week, daily basis to week, 1 to 2 weeks, and medium term is 1 to 2 months. So at least in the month of March, we are going to have a good up move. Basically what it means is that it's not that it is going to go straight line up. Any downfall, any down pullbacks that is happening, it will be bought. That is the structure and texture of the market for the month of March. That is one thing which I want to set it very clearly. Technically that is how it is. Why? Because FinNifty, BankNifty, it was hovering below the 50-day simple moving average. Now it has taken that out decisively. That means that will act as a very, very strong support. Hence, bears have to have extreme amount of energy to push it down below that level. Of course, if that is broken down decisively, then you can have a significant fall. But bears don't have that much of strength, at least in the current month. So hence, that 50-day simple moving average is something which is a reference point, I would call, at least for the month of March, right? As far as Nifty is concerned, it is also in a significant up move. Second thing is that when you look at the levels, normally a technical analyst will analyze the various levels. What are the levels they look at? Normally they look at the 50-day moving average, the 100-day moving average, 150, 200-day, simple, exponential. Then they go to the week and they go to the month and they look at the 20-day moving average, which is the Bollinger Middle Band, then the 20-day exponential moving average, all those things. So the price is above everything. That means there is no level that is available. Then what is the only way out for market is why it is going sideways? That is where the Fibonacci series comes into the picture. The Fibonacci retracement is a powerful tool that is available to technical analysts. One who can draw that Fibonacci series, of course, one needs to know from where to where it has been drawn and how to understand that. It's very simple. Any charts will give you that, but you should know from where to where it has been drawn. Once that is drawn, at least you will know the levels. That is the only thing that is available for people who want to go short in this market or who are bearish on a short-term basis. Very, very short-term basis. What I mean by very, very short-term basis, intraday or 1 or 2 days, those kind of things, right? So that's how it is. The market is in a good up move, but today's move confirms that move, but there can be some slight pullback that can come in. It can come even tomorrow also, but again, as I said, the 50-day simple moving average is fantastic support. Unless otherwise decisively broken, it will act as a very powerful support for bulls. With that, let's go into the background. Banks, Bandhan, IDFC fell 1%, Yes Bank fell 2%, ICICI moved up by 1%. All others remain sideways. On the financial, Chola and Jio 2% down, Bajaj Finserv, LIC Housing Finance, Muthoot 1% up, L&T Finance and Manappuram 2% up. Insurance and cards, SBI Life 1% down, SBI cards, SBI Life 2% down, ICICI Pru 2% up, HDFC Life 3% up. See, this explains, if you see there, the main banks like HDFC, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank, all SBI, all remain sideways, whereas ICICI moved up. So that means banking stocks gave a good support to both BankNifty and FinNifty, and also you had good support coming from the financials, which are not banks, which are not part of the BankNifty, but part of the FinNifty, like HDFC Life, ICICI Pru, and Bajaj Finserv. It has good weightage. All these things contributed to FinNifty outperforming BankNifty and also Nifty. So that's the fundamental reason for this outperformance. Next is oil and telecom. Bharati remained flat. Reliance moved up by 1%. So Reliance lent some support to Nifty. Otherwise, when I go down, you will know why Nifty underperformed today. The IT, Apple, Coforge, Infi, LTM, TCS, LTTS all fell 1%. That explains, right? Simple. And Intellect and Techcam moved up by 1%. These are the only two stocks that moved up. Others remain like TCS and all. Emphasis down 2%. HCL and Wipro, Birlasoft remain sideways. Hence, Nifty underperformed FinNifty and BankNifty. Consumer goods, everything was down or sideways. ABFRL, Asian Paints, Bata, DMart, ITC, Pidilite, PVR, Titan 1% down. Berger and Britannia 2% down. So Berger, whatever up move it made 4 or 5% last week, it has given at least 50-60% of the up move. So I have not seen the technical chart of Berger, but if I see, I can tell whether it is a pullback or reversal or profit booking, whatever it is. Probably in this week sometime I'll look at it. See, I'm also a human being. I cannot see all the 500 or 1000 stocks, right? That's what it is. Automobiles, TVS Motors 1% down, M&M 2% down, Eicher Motors 3% down. Hero Motors 1% up, Bajaj Auto 2% up. Metals, Tata Steel 1% down, Jindal 2% down, National Aluminium, Vedanta Coal 1% up, NMDC 2% up, SAIL 3% up. On the health and pharma, Cipla 1% down along with the Divis and Metropolis. Apollo Hospital fell 2%. Dr. Reddy's moved up by 1%. So along with Apollo Hospitals, we have Lalpath and Thyrocore also falling by 2%. Dr. Reddy moved up by 1%. In the others category, Havells, IndiaMart, Jubilant Food, Ultratech 1% down, MCX 3% down, DLF, APL, Apollo, Eris and Zomato 1% up, Godrej Properties 2% up. So tomorrow is option expiry for Nifty. So what is the level that one can see? See, on the downward side, it's relatively easy, I would say. The Bollinger middle band, that will act as a very good support. I have told many times, the middle band will either act as a strong support or a strong resistance, as the case may be. Because now it is on a significant up move, any pullback that it happens, okay, it will not come to that level of a middle band. It cannot break. What I mean to say is that, unless there is something dramatic, it happens tomorrow itself, it can open itself, it can open below that. I am not saying that, okay. Let's rule out that 1% scenario of unknown risk that can happen in the market. On a normal market scenario, so this Bollinger middle band will act as a very good support. So which is at 2437 as of now. Again, these levels are dynamic levels. I am just reading the price, at least as of today, what it was. On the upward side, as I said, like no levels, technical analyst has to know everything. Otherwise, no, there is no levels available. The Bollinger upper band is there on the daily chart. So above which is the Fibonacci 161.8 retracement from the down. It happened on January 16th or so, January 23rd or so. From the down it happened. There, if you draw a Fibonacci series, it is 161.8 retracement is somewhere around 21,265.95. That's the one thing which one can consider as something like what you call as a pure technical analyst. One can think of that as a good resistance, because the Fibonacci 161.8, 161.8 and all good support or resistance as the case may be. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.